Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the indicators of the social and mental health. These include rates of the suicide, homicides, others crime, road traffic accident, juvenile delinquency, alcohol, substance abuse, domestic violence, battered baby syndrome, etc. These indicators provide a guide to social action for improving the health of people. Social and mental health of the children depend on their parents. Example substances abuse in orphan children. Environmental indicators these reflect the quality of the physical and biological environment in which disease occur and people live. The most important are those measuring the proportion of the population having access to safe drinking water, sanitization facilities. These indicators explain the prevalence communicable disease in a community. The other indicators are those measuring the population of air and water, radiation, noise, population exposure to toxic substance, food and water, percentage of household and by-body source of drinking. Selected household characteristic, electricity, pipe water, toilet facility, urban rural total. NHFS that is electricity is between 68, 56 and 93 and in case the total urban rural urban in case of urban that is the 68 and in case of the rural that is the 56 and pipe water in case of urban is 12 and in case of the rural and the total is the 25. Total there are the toilet facility in case of the urban that is the 83 and in case of rural that is 26. There are the 45 is the total of those toilet facilities. Next is the socio-economic indicators. These do not directly measure the health but are the important in interpreting health indicator. These are the rate of the growth of the population India that decadals 2001 to 2011 17.64% in Haryana 19.9% in 2001 to 2012 per capita GNI gross national income 5350 US World Bank 2013 dependency ratio that 52. Total dependency ratio is equal to the number of people's age 0 to 14 and those aged the 65 and other over about above the number of people's age 15 to 64 multiply 100. Socioeconomic indicators literacy rate is India 74.04% in 2012. Haryana is the 76.64% 2011. Housing the number of persons per room per capita calories availability countries with the favorable socioeconomic indicator have been reported less health related problems. That is in age is about 15 to 49 that is 55 78 for the woman and man 15 to 19 74 for the woman 89 for the man and 20 to 24 age is there are the literacy about 64 to 84 in between the woman and man. Blue is indicate the man and the yellow is indicate for the woman. That is literacy rate. Thank you. In today's class, I discuss about the literacy among women and men, socioeconomic indicators, and also about the environmental indicators, that is indicator of social and mental health. Thank you for watching.